Uh, tunia topics ki boli tenga yele. Types ting hivanin, types daily out vayan. Expenditure is equal to price into consumption. Chikhar hinchin. Revenue is equal to price into sale. Hiatigel a boldan a process a pattern kibang. Humibana population tungtang. Population aku bangkat successive percentage common dia tier 2 azang kitong ding hi. Election ko tu like common pen ako. Payte dio election tungtang questions payte ding. CPO itagan CSSL itagan bangkat CGL itagan elections tungtang question om te ako. Apo imodia yami VIP. Elections tungtang hivanin hubana marks tungtang hivangin. Marks zong hu tier 2 ang kitong dingin chin tier 1 azong kitong dingin atang pi tier 1 aku pass mark to fail mark ting kitong dingin tier 2 aku marks basis tungtang hi dingin chin bangkat new khar advanced level dong kitong diko. Population election marks zo chat donations se hilo le parts by parts ang kitong de. Atang pi types common do tang hui tang hian chin ken khar ku quantity to ki sai zong men chin. Long quantity to ki sai te khuma profit and loss atam zo. Profit and loss ai chi dan quantity based question te khum ki ha do de hi tang au chi lom loma ki tam to lo kho. Tuna ban kharin to vai na types te tong gen wangin. Ama sa pen pena hi tanga kharom. Ka identify the dan price sale revenue a types ko bang madang hilo revenue is equal to price into sale yami tungtang question in sale tungtang donga hile a formula na modify dingo sale is equal to revenue divided by price ichidan dona bol dingun chin a question na solve changwa formula base ki solve dio a price ko 20% aki reduce achi 20% ko 1 by 5 ka minus dimola in chin sale a revenue ko 60% 60% ko 3 by 5 in chin increase achi ja plus ka bol tun koi pene na gel masare ya formula dung jian king adio revenue tunglang aw ma hi changin revenue hilang angel wangin increase decrease te reduce hi lo le increase the value ki kyan chang aku te siam dikhat all value to new value ngom te tu na revenue ko 60% a increase achile alui pen ko 5 in chen tha pen ko wedding ide magchidan wa hi la te hino lo dio ute gen no loading videos lu tianen mai wo direct ga mi videos ana pet van lungo boil ho a recent videos tianen mai no in hubana bangkhat hitinga price ta ya hitinga ya price pen hu hilanga kai tola price ko 20% ak reduce achi le hiam ye gen na ta ya ochil 5 is to 5 minus 1 hu 4 hizara ki reduce revenue to price na divide le bang na mu dia sale kamu nanga revenue to price cover divide le 1 is to 2 kamu tun hi tegel ho ka sale ratio ta wala 1 akal to mola bangzar akal 1 akal koi to compare ja akal 1 to compare ja au chili hami khu basically 100% increase ya sale increase achi wala mola sale increase so 1 increase ako a basic thather hian chin hiami basics vote adang kharin kit vain Mami bana bangkat expenditure khu constant hi la khatigal proportional level zong ken tabeyo hitinga the price of sugar is increased by hitinga kharam ya koi song ke le price a keyword te cham teo no expenditure means in consumption au chelia mi khu bangmadang gen na hilo unchin expenditure is equal to price into consumption Yami basis ang kitong ka question in consumption tong hi changa ka modify ding consumption hu expenditure by price wang chi na hi pen to hi pen ka divide chi na o tun expenditure tung tang gen tale expenditure hoya a value sa KPI expenditure hu 8% only achi 8% hu 2 by 25 maro mo and 8 by 100 ni here 4 2 or 8 425 2 by 25 in chin increase chile plus ngom na lai di au chile all value ku 25 sorry all value ku 25 and new value ku 27 hubana the price of sugar is increased by 20% 20% ku 1 by 5 increase chile increase hila 5 ngiding 5 plus 1 ku 6 teng teng hitaya tun consumption kamuna nga bangkalo dia formula dung je I divide mo la hitigal divide pela 25 to 5 cover divide 27 to 6 cover divide 25 4 to 8 Chile hitting 5 5 for 25 in hitaya 5 to 6 go ball home le hold on him kikate 3 2 or 6 3 9 or 27 2 5 or 10 10 is to 9 hita consumption when lechin 1 decrease mo le question and by what percent should it decrease chipet ma hitting on decrease pet ma adi china ko 10 to compare the decrease hile 1 by 10 to 10% a decrease 10% how lai mo le hite jang the price of sugar is increased by 22 the person want to increase by expenditure by yami bolvayo alas nang in vaun hubana new hot proportionality based bolvai the price of sugar is increased by hitting up price ki yen in chin expenditure ki yen in chin consumption ki yen question in direct consumption dong consumption ang dole chelang ajong bolota consumption ya consumption ku kamu na nga ku expenditure to price divide chi malum expenditure ku 12% akale hile 12% ku 3 by 25 ya increase hile expenditure ku 25 is to 28 ngiding in chin increase by 12% to 22% 22% ku 22 by 100 ngitale 11 by 50 ngitale mo le divided by 50 is to 61 expenditure ku price in over divide ano hiche ku expenditure ku price in over divide consumption kamu malum hom ye bovelo ipon shortcut logic ke no here recent video sticker ki zil to lan ho cha hingel le chin theisiam ta veu chen au chile ya mi 1 by 2 ngi tari hamole 61 into 61 ku 61 hitting in chin 2 8 are 16 to 2 are 4 5 bagzara decrease 11 to 5 11 to 6 hele 5 sorry 5 a decrease 5 a decrease 61 to compare is a decrease 100 to hele 500 divided by 61 hitting which is 500 to 61 over ball 8 1 is 8 8 6 are 48 hitting in chin 2 1 hitting point khat kalale 0 au chile hi answer hello hi tigal answer hi mai the 1 kalangai 61 ya mi to kinai zo hi mi answer oh ya tuang gel na jaw ya bana pen 4 sang alian zo bang hi mai the ding in chin hi plus 1 na ko yung ngai de awami ja tu ngom hi mai the de ko tun proportionality tung tanggen vayen question hol pot vai ite vela ko donation base kichite halo pe hiam ta venal neulai khu hiami neulai neu khat physics tung tang neu khat explain ai do hi chung koi phot vai huma sangen expenditure is equal to price into consumption chi mole au chila ka expenditure khumo constant number khala tawang 1 bangila talang himi hulunga ka transfer su mole 1 by price is equal to consumption changom du mole physics in here mi hichi dan do noel ngam te ko inversely proportional chi bilomo au chule consumption ko inversely proportional to price bangchi na ya e ading a chu consumption ratio ko 2 is to 3 hile price ratio ko 3 is to 2 hi chi na ko hiam mi bove ya ding azana a physics seng seng zong kan lo tun hiam mi khu hi chin chiam ti mai ulan hi chi dan do situation a khu hiam mi formula be sitaven khat po po hitaven expenditure is equal to price into consumption hi chin chep te thol le chen ya ka right hand side lang kai le sorry ka left hand side lang kai le expenditure mu le ya left hand side lang a khu single digit om ding in chin term pha cho om ding in wa mi khu constant hi le a value sa ki heng lo le hilang article inversely proportional a inverse na la di china ko ching koi le no tun ka question hoi dong in wa price tung tang gen in chin consumption tung tang gen in chin hitinga no extra amount na chi le hiam mi khu indirect dawa hiteng ting in khu expenditure again no extra amount chi chu expenditure ki heng lo di china expenditure khu constant china expenditure constant hi le hi article inverse di bang china ya ka price ko mo all to niun hian wang the price of sugar increases by 20% ku 1 by 5 increase hele 5 is to 6 a price ku hi zar hele consumption ku bang zar hi hichi dan obes te hicha values kha chung ki pe de mong ko price to consumption ku inverse ana gel di chi zo pan mo la price ku 5 is to 6 a hile consumption ku 6 is to 5 in the en leo chin hitigel ka multiply formula multiply di chi changa 5 6 30 6 5 30 expenditure ki henglo pi mo la tun hitang chowa na focus ding question in bang again by what percentages must one cut down on the consumption a consumption bangzara ki decrease ya chi bangzara ki decrease one a ki decrease koi toy compare ja ki decrease 6 to ka compare ja ki decrease 1 by 6 to 16 2 by 3% chi boy proportionality te o theisiam ha sana saule khatwe to kat ki dulan play kit mai lo chen with the price of cooking oil increased by 25 must reduce its consumption in order to maintain the same budget to expenditure china cooking oil the price who increased by 25% who 1 by 4 for 1 by 4 ile 4 by 5 au chile consumption who 5 is to 4 hiding bangzara ki reduce di chi bangzara ki reduce 1 ki reduce koi to compare ja ki reduce 5 to compare ja ki reduce 5 into 1 by 2 20% 20% here mi cancer hi mai dio tun price to consumption based te khu zo ta abana bangome hitigel zo ta tigal zo phutta hi le na khol zalwa battery bang zara na population tung tang bolwa yin hitigel ki zola position heng zolwa ai come on yep population tung tang bolwa yin atang pi khu population based te hi la khu successive percentages te ki zanga hi chi theisia mulan no le ho bang khat successive percentage adinga x plus y plus xy divided by 100 jong la za theun chin a hi wanga wa mi bera na khu population ni tan chu hi changa ki jang the chu wa mi ja boya wala population of a city increased by 30 in the first year and decreased by this in the next year 2 years ago tun mo hi mi mo hitinga 2 years ago kumni tan chung ki pian chin percentages ni chung hi ki pia hi changa kole formula hu ka za the asian nam lo Ahi wanga bera khachu percentages thum vel ki pia helan kum thum kum li kum nga vel ki yel bangi chi de hum mi hun changa boy bo bangja population base de khu tang pia successive chi we tuni channel lo chin population kharo min chin hi mi khu abul tung tunga 30% a increase in bangjari khan ki suwa ya mi khu another 15% to increase kirin bangjari khan ki suwa finally aku hi present population khu 11050 hi chin chin hi mi holin ache na thei siam dingu hilang holding angki solin a final value holding angki final value ki piain origin origin holding angki sol khu shortcut te ki jang thelo wa mi chiam tio no ile jong mo monga 30% khu bangchi na tai come on 30% khu bangjara ta 3 by 10 china 15% 3 by 20 china ani gala increase decrease khat khu increase khat khu decrease ken hua normal process teng jang wango compound na ki jang te all to new khen wangin first year a khu bangchi 10% 30% increase a chile hi khu 10 hi khu 13 china second year a bangchi 20 lai khu 17 ang kiam su ri china ka multiply le hilanga 200 hilanga 221 question dungzia 221 value khu 11050 1 khu 5 to multiply leng 5 ka mu de au chile 50 china into 50 is basically 5 to 10 thum ya mi answer successive percentage te halom lom lo pi mo lo chi dan do tun population tung tang atang bob le vain alas langam hi le kilo election come on ya population tung tang me tuni tanga kharen vain a district has this much population achi abul tung tunga 1024123 population ominchin here mi khu banga chitai increases at the rate of this much by 3 years wow 2.5% ahu kum thum ta kalto a finally a here mi holu nangche origin ke pitamula origin ang ke piale shortcut na jathe dalang cha shortcut khu gen do amo monga 2.5% khu bangjare 25% khu 1 by 4 hiloma au chile 2.5 point kharom le 0 kharom de mai vele chimbolol ve namat bulo le ya mi 25% khu 2.5 khu chaka gel the wa mi bana 25 by 10 into percentage khu 1 by 100 chaka gel the 1 by 4 ngi de 1 by 40 ngi mai de hi cha jong gel the hi le jong no the siam siam dana khu daraga hi chi dan wa gel nom ka sa zo chi tho ya increases chile increases ngi de all to new in hian kit vayan azia increase decrease om nale alui pen to tha pen om te the de mala alui khu ya mi bangjara increase ya one increase ya mi second year a khu bangchi hizanma third year ala hizanma tun hilanga 4 cube khu 64 0 thumum ha sa siang lo pi mole hitengala 41 cube 41 cubic bangchi hold wai 41 square by han ngai mole ka by halo le hollow cross method ka zadi ka bs 50 ngi di 50 to 41 ka bol 9 9 square is 81 50 hi changa ka magic number ku 25 ai le 9 hi le 5 to 9 hi le 6 1681 chi na hi hiteng to 41 multiply ke di bang hitalang athum na nga 41 multiply di leng 1861 mangom ding in chin 41 is 4 4 6 are 24 eh mo de bang bolai ka wazam hita 4 1 is 4, 4 8 are 32, 4 6 are 24, 24 to 3 is 27, 4 1 is 4, 5 6, 1, 12, 6 7 8 9 8 6, 6 8 9 2 1 chi na hu. Then question in again da na hu. Question in yami value hu in origin hu hi zara hi chi mole. Origin hu hi zara hi la vokat di tale bangzari na kadde 102400 0 thum 0 thum 64 to 16 who 1024 kabang che theya 1024 to 64 hitigal vocal lo chen 16 na mo do ai wanga hitinga na thei siam de kharum mo khor hilang teng thang wai tang kat mai wa aza na jong non se 1024 khum 2 to the power 10 mo le 64 khu 2 to the power 6 mo le na cut diu hi lo mo na divide diu I divide chenga ki minus hi lo mo 2 to the power 4 chi na wala which is 16 16 hi mai number system knowledge stage ong no ru le na za the wo number system se sia za de chi na lo ho au chi le hi teng teng to 16 ka multiply de chi na wile concern pod de 68921 by 16 nang abo na na multiply de khu ngol wai e check le chen last digit ki bang hi ti gyal answer hi lo de 0 to 2 in a difference ang bol chi na khu 0 to 2 in ang decide au chi le last 4 digit tan ka multiply ngai chi na mo le au chi le 16 tong bol taleng 6 1 is 6 6 2 are 12 6 9 are 54 55 6 8 are 48 48 to 5 8 to 5 ay le 3 ang hidi 1 2 9 hitang bol taleng 6 3 7 2 2 7 3 6 2 7 3 6 yami ka answer abo na multiply ngai lo tu ni chi dan do question tia origin ang ki pial khu successive na za the wi chi mo le ki bang chi za na thei siam di khan mo number khan ki pe ding mo ya number khu 25% a increase hi ang ki chi le 25% khu 1 by 4 ya increase sala chen bang za na mu 5 by 4 na mu hi lo mo hi pian to 5 by 4 na vo multiply le a increase zat ki thei mai hi pian to hi na vo multiply le a increase zan ki lang mai de hui jaw lan au chi le bang ka lo de increase ki chi hi chang 1 by 40 khu increase hi le a increase zat khu bang zat 4 to 1 by 40 hi lo 1024 sorry 1024 June 0 here mi khu first year a hi zara increase second year azong hi zara increase third year azong hi zara increase au chi le hito 0 teng thong ki cut 464 to 16 hi get 16 to 41 cube ka multiply 41 cube to 16 ka multiply man sham dang mo population abang hun chang a shortcut ke jang origin ang ke biale wa mi jia ho khen kharin mo hi origin ang ki piale direct a so kan jang zelu khen kharin chi aban banang khwat pi dip dip ding en chen tu na difference thei ta veu chin mo origin ang ki pia changa shortcut method za the origin ki pe loading en chin a final value ki pe ding en chin origin ang ki pia lo le successive te chi dan do te za lo hoi zo a reverse ai bol ju ki mu ve ve ni long na thei siam ta ta ma sang sa za da mai bo boy sa mai me during the first year population of a town increased by 20 increased by 12 contagious diseases of the nana to decrease the samole corona means in population kallo pi kiyama vale contagious diseases vela ke chile decrease mai de at the end of the second year zo wa hizar chi explain why population kharomin chin huwa mi khu increase chu population booming om a hi wanga bangi khan chi khain chin damlo khaun jin banga chitai a population kiam bangjara kiam 64400 himi holding angi sol final value ki pia successive te jang thelo ri chi zo pan hilo mu chi dan situation a za lo pod dio 12% khu 3 by 25 khu 12% increase a chi hi changa increase a ka koiding 8% 8% khu 8 by 100 in coilation bangjar hi de 4208 425 e ho rang ki nai sim de lo mola au chi la first year a khu all value to new value chingel long da tayo hun be me first year a khu 25 is to increase hi changa 28 in heading engine second year decrease hi changa kamai na 25 apat ko bole 23 8 to 3 le 5 give hitiarium lo 25 to 25 khu 625 hitaya hitigal multiply di tale 8 to 3 le 24 2 in hand 2 3 are 6 to hi le 8 2 8 are 16 hi le 4 24 4 2 in hand 2 2 are 4 5 6 644 china 644 value human bangzat bachi 64400 chi le hitigal ka kalli 100 kamu au chi le basically 62500 china ho ho yaume 62500 population tung tang hi cheki bol mai khu ai tanga nal do kharam oh yami tier 2 velai chi dan wang ki dong dio a basic concept na thei ta ta lo le solve dan nung lo velung ki pelo mo hi changa inhabitants village died of malaria zong zong mai ve damlo ki gen na le sidi u chu le population kiam cha chat de try hoite population tungtang hitana hunsa kid vain adang bangya kivat. Election tungtang hubana marks gen masavayo election masang. Donation to parts to quality te next class arin koi va next class aku practice question te new a question difficulty level ahasar ute yad diwin mo tun marks to envayen marks banaku election te envay marks tung tang hol vail day pass mark to fail mark ti ngi tang pi de ko last langa kamu hila kilom last langa hol new constituency election tung tang election kamu na ho tu lai pass question te tingel leuchin election question om te ite ngomo to nele pass mark to fail mark te om hiva to here material singular te khumo 2018 apat 23 tan 23 tan maile kilom ya mi ki kala pass question ngen tanga ku si jela siam tu question lo pia pass question is solve hi longal wa mock test te velang ki bol pi te jong khu bona pass question ngen bo ma arrangement bol hana siam mu chi tho ya no almost election tam nei ML loses no prize two candidates no businessman no election tungtang reduction tungtang election come on mo to aneli chu yo nga to mai no mo chiang in thei sawa ha commit fight ne yam vele no pass mark fail mark tungtang ya mi ai van yo khore advance teo a basic kizil nang ipoi mo mom to pan pane ya mi bang simple te na simple kholo ho a question a simple dan wa kilang china wa simple kholo jong ma ko hello pe om lo la banga again siat chelom vela in an election Anita scored 31 marks and failed by 16 no failed by a kichile na plus dingo hui mai more than a kichile na minus dio gentina 100 hinchin 40 hu ka pass mark full mark hu hizar hinchin 40 hu ka pass mark tun fail by 16 marks a kichi changa bang chinaya 14 apa 16 wala khelo chen bang zarai de 4 kamu hinchin 3 to 1 hile tu ken 24 marks kamu mo au chila ka pass mark to a difference ko 16 ola mo le hi ami bang chinala 16 to mu beleng ka pass di china wa mi khu english ama gen di le fail by 16 marks ke 16 marks ana fail china 16 marks ana fail chu 24 na mu china ola awa mi dan do khu 16 pen to ya 24 pen gom thom leng ka pass mark khu kamu hilo awa mi jana gom diu ka chi khu enoi chana bol du anita in khu 31% total marks la khu 31% amu inchin wa 31% amu la khu 16 mu bele pass mark amu de wa mi humai tu na second na banga gen e khatpan hipan khu 40% amu 40% of total amu inchin huteng teng la 56 marks atam zo amu le pass mark excess amu chu minus khelo chen pass mark mai lo ni tunia mi mo linear pair of equation in two variables te dan lo ka solving engine total om phore hi changa hi mi to me hi changa ka process subtraction ka bole hi to ingi kat manglen a pass mark kat mang ta pass mark holding ang ki solin pass mark mang chi bang boy ngai lo ngom ve ve do ko 31 to 40 minus le khu bang zare dai 31 to 40 hi le khu minus 9% into total hi de mole minus hi chang a hi pen khu plus ang ki ang de hi chi cham te ula no au chi le hi mi plus ang ki le ti gel ka gom khom de mai lo mo 6 to 6 ko 12 5 6 7 72 equal to 0 upon sianga 9 in divide hi changa 9 to ka divide 9 8 72 hilanga 8 sorry 8 khulunga ko transfer le minus pen tong ki kat mang le 1% into total is equal to 8 heading 100% into total hubang zaring hide both sides 100 to na multiply di hui mayo au chile 800 ding hita ka total marks hubang zare 100% hoi amang do chi lo dio 100% p1 avle enve 100% divided by 100 heading 1 hilal lo mo 1 into total se total avla total marks kamule pass mark kamu theita azia pass mark hubange no le himi equation zangula no le himi equation zangwa ki banga khu pass mark ko hiam mi hiamule ken 31% thei chal lo ka hi changa ha sa ka sa simin jin bangka lo dia 40% thei ka lo huchin boleng la 40% into total khu 800 minus 56 ngita 0 nito percentage ki katta mole 8 4 are 32 0 minus 56 10 to 6 hila 4 4 abe de 4 abe nium 4 digit hingai lo de hiam answer 3 digit 2 digit khan minus le 4 digit bang bolang po dila minus min vayo 11 to 6 hila 5 mole 2 huh 10 to 6 hila 4 huchudi 11 to 5 hila 6 wala le bur kha Hichi dan do khu hiami question tam kholo hi chang hiami question avel velin repeat ulan 4 times 5 times vel anake jelo na a question dang omlo hi bo imu zo lo pi hol holon himi tung tang hi ta hiya tun pass mark fail mark hitana hunsa vain election al lut to vaw yo election tung tang question te khat bol vai election sa hi changa khu a sequence zui lo chin a sequence na zui zo lai sian wa dia hoi himai kita sian a sequence zui lo chang ang buai khu hoi le elections tung ta come on here may elections ka between two candidates 5% of the registered voters in the cast were found to be nota the winning candidate receive and by anal ve here mi bol vai amasa pin na sequence ngel pin ngo elections tung tanga hi changa election base hi changa mo here mi sequence at hidu voting list mention voting list ki chi changa khu a vote pe thei ting ting here ting khu 100 unit na lagi ye dingun mo yana pe su ding in decimal ong lo 1000 na la thele lo sia nam lo voting list in pe ding in chin voting list a khu vote heloi to vote khelo lo ngom de adia tu election nai hi changa hi mi election based tung tang question pe te de thei sa khu hian khar bang house te nang for lo le vote ki kheu lo pi hi lo example a ke yo ki call lo le vote khengai lo hilan vote heloi la jong chalak bol lo ya nom ding in chin valid to invalid ngom ki de hubana valid apat sa winner to loser ngom pande atang pia question pe dan khumo here mi value to here mi value a difference kun ki peven a difference ki pe ding in here min ki dong de question pe ya tang pia ko tun entale hitanga question in bangi yane the winning candidate received 60% votes in his favor and won the election by 17271 kagen mong velo mole hipan khu hiami to hiami difference khu 17271 ang ki pi chula hitigal ki poding in bang dongwai find the number of registered voters hiaming ki tong 100 union ki tong 100 aba sai chang kiam su ding in chin himing ki tong fill up the blank ball vai tun 5% of the registered did not cast their vote 5% in for hiaru low 100 apa sa 5% chile 5 unit china 100 apa sa 5 unit in a hiat u lo le 95 unit in ki a vote va hiau chi na ho 100 apat 5 na minus kya le 95 mai velo mo le ko mi ba na bangom tai 10% of the votes were found to be either invalid or not. None of the above ko mo aba boy hoina kharma khu none of the above ko none of the above iwa khia changa bol hoi ki sajel in chin a hi wanga ki bol hoi khollo wa gentena BJP to Congress bang ki bol to adingun chin BJP ti asang zalanga ngom dingen Congress ti angyam zalanga ngom dingen nang va pei chan chan china none of the above na chile a statistic ki heng kan lo pi awami jana no the above ko option hoi pi ni khollo hitiana dei lo le hiti ha vol le chin all in sangwanin hilang kiam su hi thut wanin hiloma BJP te la de lo Congress te la ve lo ani ke la vo bol ole BJP te chingyak ma bol lo de te 10% of the votes were found to be either invalid or not 10% 10% ki chi changa hi 100 hu abs hi jamo direct a 5 unit kala la ho na base hu 100 no lo na hol tom ngai 10% 10% of bongzare 95 unit hu invalid hi che au chile 10% hu 1 by 10 hi le into 95 unit kat kan ngai lo pian 9.5 unit china ichelang again zota hi tinga decimal ngomle hi 0 khala be ni chilal mole decimal lom pe swap hot wa hi mi situation ading 95 unit apat 9.5 unit minus kyalle 0.0 ngom di ha 5 unit in hitari here 4 to 9 4 to 9 hile 5 85.5 hilanga khu sorry invalid khu 9.5 unit hile valid votes khu 85.5 unit china khu 85.5 china inchin tun winner to loser tung tanggen data bang yeni the winning candidates receive 60% votes in his favor tunichi dan question te khu anonymous sima khu pilwang de khan 60% of valid votes achile thutwam hitiana pat ki hol thei 60% of the votes achi changa hi pen jong again nai thei voting list again na jong hi thei kiswar lo hichi dan situation te khu na swar nang wa ani gela na bolungai kile jong valid votes atem vo bol masa vayo valid votes ano jong e kade ana atem gi yawo as a question ho the particular again lo hi changa mo a chance kile thei lo le exam changa the winning candidate received 60% of the votes in his favor hitanga hu 60% amu hi achi hiteng tenga pat 60% vo hol teleng bangjat kamoi hole chimbol lai vai 60% hilanga mule hilanga hu 40% amule china mule 60% of valid votes to 40% of valid votes hu hi zara chi 60 to 40 ka minus le 20% hilongmo 20% of valid votes hi zat 85.5 unit equal to his zat yami besin u bol dan tale 20% ku 1 by 5 mule 1 by 5 into 85.5 unit is equal to 17271 5 to 1 pot na him no reach avokat him wang come on 8 5 1 is 5 5 7 35.5 1 is 5 171 171 almost 171 101 him lo di color him ni confusion lo na 171 divided by 10 unit equal to 17271 and 171 to 1 hilo 171 heading 171 hi ke dimole yami p 1071 atawala hito yami kavukale 101 hide bangsidan do wala 101 into 171 hu 17 into 1 into 1 hu 171 71 hide hito 0 hide 1 hide hizari le 171 to 1 hile 2 achang chia kingol hiwo bangchi hipo bol he long kangom ta di hiwo kabang chi multiply theising au chi lo 1 unit khu basically hi pen to hiwo cross to rang 1010 hitading therefore total votes ku 100 into hizan hitale 1010 hile 10100 mzan ki bela mai mai de mole yam bi answer elections tung tang khat zo hadang khat to bol kit vai hia elections tung tang hi changa hi sequence gen ko voting list sapar hi zato hiti gal ki peding in chin hia mi holding ang ki soli chi zo chat khung pe chat mole hichi dan do bolu lan election tung tang adang khat to bol be vai in I mean started his investment no ah dry fruit kichi khat huchi dan do concept khat jong min chin long hu te khu banking a ki ha do ho SSC a ki dong khol lo pi in the election 8% of the voters did not cast their vote. Two candidates in who is the winning candidate of the total votes and won by valid to invalid ki gen lo hiam bi simple se a ha do kharol ni valid invalid gen kharam le hoidi ha valid invalid ki gen zo pana valid invalid lo mo practice question tia hoidong hol thawa in hutia hoidon en tha ta ve yo ilong election tung tanga concept na thei khu poimo hu hi tangom ve neu khat chu ha deu de khu wa mi bolta ve dangom se in an election tung tang ki gen hi changa voting list ngom ding voting list khu 100 unit ka chiwa voting list apat sa cast to not cast ngom ding vote heloi to vote heloi lo china ko hello loi to heloi 50% did not cast achi 15% in a cast lo le 15% khu bangza china hi ka base khu 100 hilale changa 50% khu 15 china ngi mai di out of 1500 apat sa 15 la khele 85 ngi di vote khezat khu 85 china did not cast their votes and 100 votes got disqualified achang changa a valid khoto a invalid mo achang changa hi invalid ko number of votes ta a value ta ngi pe jela a value ta perang pya loi chana bol hi khu invalid khu 100 votes chi lo mo na thei siam the nang in votes chin vogel khetin ta no hi te khu unit ngen tang hi mi khu votes ka minus thero de hi ching ki sur mai de khu tun hi mi valid votes ka the nang hi mi khu total hi total apat invalid zat kala hele valid zat ka mo de mole total apat invalid zat ka minus khadi 100 mai cha ka gil kalung boy de hu ja votes chin ka gel tin ta no tuni tanga pat winner to loser ngomta bangageni the candidates who won the election won it by securing 45% of total votes as total votes chitai hitanga valid chinolo total votes chi hitanga again now and won by a margin of 400 votes chile yatigel na minus chianga 400 na bo modi hi china khu tun hi en vai winner pan bangzara mo chi question dongzia winner pan khu 45% amu 45% of what 100 unit percent to itigal ki kale 45 unit china mole winner pan mo 45 unit amu loser pan bangzara mo hiteng teng ku ka total helong ma total apat nang hizat navo minus hial mo loser pa votes namu pande unit to unit cho ka minus the mole 5 to 5 hele 0 40 units china 40 unit minus 100 votes loser pan bangzara mo 40 unit minus 100 votes yamizong votes malo ma e khat kai to tai tun question dungzia hipian to hipian aki minus le winner to loser ki minus le 400 votes hi ache ka winner khu bangzare 45 unit ka loser khu bangzare 40 unit minus 100 votes minus bana term khat walom le plus battery loss yan han khol zol no Okay. Hitting teng kabol le 400 votes in hitting tun bang bang in the bolungai chiang mai hiloma votes to votes koi khom ding 45 apart 40 la hele 5 unit hitting apart his arco minus hele 300 votes in hitting. So basically 1 unit will be equal to 5 6 or 30 60 votes china. Total number of voters achi total who abol tung tunga bangzari lawe 100 ila 100 koi di pilwanguno changsa cha 1000 vele la chenga hu 1000 ilalang ki manghil zelin chin 100 avaki koi khazelin buayava. Election tung tanga tango me during the first year the string of school increases. Election between two candidates. A candidate who get over poll is elected by majority of his advelachi. Zozol heiwa here. In an election between two candidates, the candidate who gets 64% of the votes poll is elected. Darika valid apasang paruchina ho. Valid ang parunchin valid 100 unit akila dingin chin winner to loser pay dingin. Ya winner to loser ki kalku by a majority achi changa a difference ko again na. Hipan ko 64% mula 64 unit china. Obvious 100 ipore hi changa mula 64% chile 64 unit. Hilang 64 hile hu basically hilang ading aku 36 unit nge dumule. Tun question in bangagian ta hiatigel to hiatigel na minus le hizar hiti hi achi. 4 to 6 ka minus le 14 to 6 hile 8, 5 to 3 hile 2, 28. 8 to bangi multiply dile 2, 8. To hile 2 po de 8 out 2 ku 9 so mule. 9, 8, 72. 9 to 18, 18 to 7, 18 to 7 hile 5. Au chile hizar ku 9 china. 1 unit will be equal to 9 bang holding ang sol. Total number into 9 kabole 900. Hoyami 900. Yam vela halo pia. Parts think is op ta hilo mo. Types thing. Bang bagome. Hizo. Election tong sun zo chet. Mark zong zo ta. Donation to quantity ho jingcha bol vain. Miscellaneous types bol vai tamlo practice question and new. Zo bai seng tu ni. Yami question nal hivo. Na thei siam duai thei seng. Bol su vai try vai na thei siam lo le na try kin mai ba. Prices sum zia. Price is equal to expenditure is equal to price into consumption chi se na ilo ve question hoi donen leuchin. Prices tung tang kigen price tung tang kigen price tung tang kigen. Au chili yami pi general concept ki zanga bo vela. The prices of two articles are in the ratio 4:5. A price ko 4:5 ratio. The first price increases by this and the second price increases by this. Hipen who X% increase. In here pen who bangzat percent increase. Decrease 30% a decrease. Decimal ngomte ide hi changin 0 ni ka koi 400 kache. Le 30% 500 into 30% ko percentage to hit yalan ki kattale 53 or 15 150 150 a kiam china 500 apart 100 hile 400 apart 50 hile himi hu 350 hide china himi la ki thei nai lo hile zong question dung ji hi article to hi article a ratio nang hole 10:7 a hi che ali alang in hol to vewa ratio bol dan do 7 to bangzat multiply to lang 35 ai dai 7 5 or 35 0 50 china hello mo 50 to go ball 500 di nai au chi le x% khu bangzar ide 400 apart 500 a khu bangzar kal to ya 100 a kal to 100 a kal to koi to compare ja 400 into 100 ide 1 by 4 which is 25%. Omna ho khaves to double check zol ni wo 3.5 into 2 5 1 by 5 di na ho Oh, nale hite. 85% of a number is added to 75. 85% bang zara hi. It halo le cha hole mayo. 5 1 is 5, 5 7 are 35, 5 2 are 10 0, 17 by 20. Ka total ko 20 unit, 20 unit apat sa 85% ka hole 17 unit ka mude. Au chile 85% of a number chi changa 17 unit achina is added to 75 bang china 17 unit plus 75 is equal to the result is the number itself a number when 20 unit a hisab hito hikaw transfer le 3 unit will be equal to 75 3 2 are 6 3 5 are 15 1 unit is equal to 25 the number is a number who 20 unit number who 20 unit 20 into 25 is 500 25 250 0 500 50% of a number ticket 50% who 1 by 2 himailong 50% of a number chil a number who hipiana na hisab le 50% who bangzat 1 50% of a number chichanga 1 unit again 1 unit is added to 75 the result become the same numbers 2 unit ouchil 1 unit is equal to 75 china the number will be equal to 2 into 75 75 ni 2 to 7 or 14 here 150 di ba hito ang nalay the difference between 62% and 80% of a number is hizarchi imo 62% gen to le zong difference between velang omle ama sa pempin to va minus de china hello no 62% minus 80% chana ba gel changwa negative ngom din nalung boy de ho negative velom lo na ngin mo between vela ki gen lai sia alian zo pempen apat minus ho 80% minus 62% here mi zong the difference between 62 and 18 to ve ve ne humi hu 192 hi che 80 to 62 minus le 10 to hi le 8 7 to 16 7 to 6 ile 1 18% is equal to 192 8 to bangzare hi le 2 9 hi le 2 9 8 are 72 9 1 is 9 9 8 are 72 7 in here 9 1 is 9 6 di chat lo hi ya mi south kharam hi de the difference between 62 and 80 is similar 62 to 80 10 to 2 hi le 8 7 to 6 hi le 1 the difference between 92 and 56% of the same number ache 18 1 is 18 hitale 12 in hidia hichin ball put va 8 to 9 ta yan 9 10 11 3 to cut by 3 6 are 18 3 6 are 18 3 4 are 12 6 are 64 om 8 are 64 om 6 are 64 om lopia 3 2 are bang bola 3 2 are 6 in heading come on 2 3 are 6 2 3 are 6 2 2 are 4 1% will be equal to 32 divided by 2 chinkakoi of the same number chipore changin hitigal pa minus 5 92% minus 56% ko bangzara hide 12 to 6 hele 6 8 to 5 hele 3 36% hitting aku 36% om thina nga 36 to both sides ka multiply ding 32 by 2 into 36 in hitale 18 hiding 18 into 32 in hide cancer ku 18 into 32 ang pia here 2 8 are 16 6 a last digit bay ya 6 a last digit bay kharom 2 digit a 2 digit no multiply le 3 digit po demo ya mi answer hi mai diwa bol dia dang khat bol thei dang khat hol vain by one number must be multiplied to increase the number by 25%. Hitaloi chu ho talwa 25% ku 1 by 4 increase chile increase le chin bangzare 5 by 4 answer yam number kharom ding in chin hiami number ku 25% a increase hi chi nakilat sana nga ya number pen ku hizara na multiply le 25% a increase value kilang mai de humi himayo formula dan do ve khu na chep te urule gentena 200 bang ki pe ding in chin eno hiami basic a question simple na mo thei siam lo wang la khara ding ngol ngol ho he de khu Hilung buai wadang ding sungol wadang le chin isavai number khorom in chin 200 om in chin mo ya 200 khu 25% a increase a chile all value to new value ngom de chin a hilo mo 200 khu all value to na 25% ichi chang 1 by 4 chin a ya 4 unit increase hi chang a 5 unit 4 unit khu 200 a hila 4 5 or 20 50 1 unit khu 50 china a new number na mu na khu 50 to multiply le chin 5 5 or 25 250 hi cha ki whole je le chu a hi wanga nang mo direct a number khu 200 mo 25% increase ke chile 25% khu 1 by 4 ya na increase sale bangzat 5 by 4 here mi to direct another multiply le 5 4 5 or 20 bangzat no mo 250 direct a increase value no mo de siam na mo profit and loss a jong chi dan do short kan ki jang dekho ichalang a success si fa ho 4 to 1 by 40 chi pe no jong mo hi chi bo bora a ratio khu bangla 40 is to 41 mo la kazo 40 is to 41 hilo a ratio khu 1 by 40 mo la wa population a success si fa ki bol pen khu 1 by 40 hin chin increase zat ka thayul banga ka multiply 4 to 1 by 40 to original value ka maina ka multiply le a increase zat ka mo yami concept ki jiye bo poi mo to lo yami a concept ko mo poi mo wa number khat to a increase zat na multiply le a increase value dare ka na mo de yami 5 by 4 ko answer Ravi scored 72% of the marks in an examination. Total bangzare ka thelo ahi wa ya Ravi ki chipan ko total apat sa 72% amu eloi da no average china ho. This mark is 360 ache. 9 either 72 9 4 36 0 85 or 40. 1% into total ho 5. 100% into total ho bangzare hide 500. 100% ho 1 himailo mo. 1 in total is equal to 500. Therefore total is equal to 500. Miscellaneous type te ho here me. Dang salt here what do me? Wow. Nalde chu here me ichalang apendan do. A number is first increased by this much and reduced by this much. It result in this much. Part cut. Who chaiting a part cut? If the same number is reduced, hitting a chu. Nala hu here me. If a number is first increased by 15%, 15% who bangzari chiwata 3 by 20 chimula. Hitting on 15% actually 15% increase in chin who decrease 15% increase 20 by 23 whether reduce chile 20 upper 5 kala hit kille 17 400 17 into 3 73 or 21 73 21 2 in hand 72 or 14 15 16 1 into 3 19 9 1 in hand 2 1 is 2 3 391 Question dongzuya it results in 782 hila hipen hu 782 achi kat di hitaleng 2 ka kat hai 2 2 2 1 is 2 2 9 18 2 3 6 7 original answer kamuna nga 800 himi hu original value hita tun the same number si cha himi again na oh yami mo reduced by 25% hu 1 by 4 reduce achile hizar a reduce value hu bangzar hide 3 by 4 3 by 4 to cover multiply le reduce value kamure khatve to increase by 25% hu 1 by 4 a increase value tizar hile 5 by 4 reduce by 20% hu 1 by 5 hile 4 by 5 hito hiki cut 4 to 800 answer hu 600 Hiami hu bangya a new value original hello original hu hiami halo pi mola success if hu hiami kizen na khan mo in an exam to boys and the rest of girls simple ki bang na hiami lungboy hu wait tung tang thulalo Izong boy hoy de. Aja population kharom in here population na khu male to female o mention male teng teng khu 25% akalin female teng teng khu 15% akala chila. A population ta zat ke thelo female to female bangzari hol masa ngai de. Boy hoy de. Adang sol zol thiyo me. By mistake te hitolo he ki bolno lo de ratio proportion penane no no. By mistake pen khu adi pen. Hello by mistake pen adi pen hello instead of khu adi pen. Isong successive hobe. Met to increase and decrease. Quantity base ho hami. Oh, remaining concept kharom mawle percentage sa. Wami gen khalo. Jingcha gen ta ve yo new khat tu ni concept ki jil teng jong ha sa siang do ta ba. Question khar khun ni ve thum ve langana sol lau chan. If a positive number k when multiplied by 30% of itself give a number which is no ilungwai de wami. Teloi ki bol non si ve no na ki bol no simple he. Successive percentage si te vel jong bolo dio no one ki try ba. Tricky sim ho jingcha dam le bol bai. Yami remainder concept te hinchin. Neu khat jinga remainder concept boli long hitanga last question nang in highlight ni wa. Remaining concept. Hizat ki zangin jin hizat walin huwa wal denga par hizan ki zang chi na dan do huwa. Hoi donen vai. RAM losses 12 1 by 2%. 12 1 by 2% hu bang zaratai. 1 by 8 mule. 1 by 8 of his money and after spending it hizara che. Ano. Ken mo. Total lading mo. 100 unit kalagi yaku. Hebi ra kaza lo dio. Aja hitinga 12 1 by 12% ki cheta yego. Hia mi hu 1 by 8 china hia. 100 unit apasa 1 by 8 cover hole. Double zero hu 8 in divide hilo. Triple zero hu by hati. Au chile hitinga decimal ngom ngal liye chu. Omi jabang na lo diula. 8 to na wakat veve de chu 8 in a divide hi khalalal down. Sila pala hi ala tan total value tan ku new khat choice ne hi changun 800 kavala. 800 unit kala. Tun 800 unit apat bangzara su mangya. 12 1 by 8% achi changa 12 1 by 2% achi la. 12 point hilo. 12 1 by 2% hilo 1 by 8 china ya. 800 unit apasa 1 by 8 asu mang achi. 100 unit asu mang. Le a remaining bangzar hide. 800 apasa Zagyan nei china zakhana su mang le zasagi na nei lai. Imay lo mo sumdan don hisab le lung tangga ngo. 75% ko 3 by 4 ako. 75% mo 3 by 4 ako. Bol mula uchin by hat tabi uchin hiti. And after spending 75% of the remainder chi. Here remaining apat sa ko another 75% ko ang zakit. 700 units. 75% ko 3 by 4 chi is open mula. Au chile 4 1 is 4 7 to 4 ile 30 30 ile 4 6 are 24 4 7 are 28 4 5 are 20 3 5 are 15 3 7 are 21 22 3 1 is 3 4 5 525 unit azabe china ko au chile remaining bangzara hide 700 apat jasagi apat jangale somni lengana zale khu 75 ngom di theisa ya jangana za khele jasagi apat janga hile come on 200 nam 225 175 unit lai chi na kho au chile anis left with 630 chile hi ating teng khu hilang angel ba 175 unit is equal to 630 china 50 kamu thena nga 2 hi ngai ai wanga 2 into 1 is 2 tom seng do de 5 adang khat 2 to ngi thei de khari sab de 6 ai thei 6 5 for 30 6 7 are 42 42 to 3 is 45 hi thei ki lo de bangzar holding as how much did ram have initially oh he are holding an ki solve ve chuma ki kat be thi lo hi chang in new khat kat vai no cha dang teng to koi to ket mai no 7 to 2 5 ile 12 13 hi thei ki lo ya bangza te bole 5 to bole mem vai 5 2 or 10 come on 5 3 or 15 5 5 or 25 5 1 is 5 5 2 or 10 5 6 or 30 35 to 126 7 1 is 7 12 to 5 36 hit hello 1 unit is equal to 126 divided by 35 chingkoi by question in how much ram have initially a hui dan radio unit hello ma total 800 into 126 divided by 35 out to the 5 7 are 35 5 1 is 5 5 6 are 30 0 160 to 7 so you cut hello 7 in 126 cut hello 7 either 56 aiding here idea 7 into 18 might hit try as well no 7 either 56 5 in hand 7 1 is 75 adi na wala 18 18 to 160 16 into 180 0 hangom din 6 either 48 80 last digit wow 80 last digit bangzaro me niom 8 pen to 0 pen inang decide cho bangkho hichin multiply lelo hasan walo pia 6 either 48 ta yamole 6 to 8 ka gom khomle bangzare 6 to 8 gom khomle 14 to 4 gom khomle 8 ding itadi ha 1 to 1 is 2 sorry 1 to 1 is 2 bang bolang hidita 1 in hand pen the 2 hiding hitinga 0 khorom 2880 2880 yami khu cancer himmi khu remaining concept is lana na zangula no question tam bol ngai lo questions theisiam lo pum pum amo som ngalang na solve abona nalung ke dim sangin mo hoidong khat ngai lan theisiam ulan homi khu som vevals vel solve ulan a concept mantang in chi chang in next question pe na pe to zel lo chen uchi dan do ki bol ho match ko a question tam hilo question tam poimo lo question tom ding a concept clear thei di question ki poimo hu mei ho itana na percentages su bolvain hiami khula second class in hivanin zinga hilo le thaya tu nia dan do a software ang boy nei noi lo lamo software boy chang a hu class ki le thelo jem ba boy vai kho a software ang boy nei noi lo le thai zinga chu software ang boy lo le zinga last class bolvain advanced level ngin tang koi wangin zingang boy khangin le thaya koi ta ve oila percentages tang zoding next week apasa profit and loss pathei dio profit and loss on 3 days 4 days well bole ya concept poi mo thang zo mai de wami ban hi chin pe to vain arithmetic izo changwa advanced math sang pe pan de tu nia ding in tan bol vai